Hi there, welcome to Crochet Critters. I wanted to do just a nice quick little tutorial tonight on how to count the number of rows that you've done, because if you're anything like me, this is something that you've struggled with in the past and I've had to learn how to do because I constantly lose count of how many rows I've done and I forget to use my stitch counter properly or my row counter properly. So I wanted to show you some tricks that I've learnt to try and see where I'm at in a row. So to start with, you can use things like landmarks. If you've done bobble stitches and things like that, you can use that to try and go, oh, well, that's the row with the bobble stitch in it. So then you can count, there's another 2 rows on top of that. So there's one there and then this top one. And sometimes I used to find it really hard to work out whether this top row here was one row or 2 rows, but this is just 1 row here and then 1 row here. I hope that's nice and clear on the camera there. So you can count through here from the bottom. So you find the center here is your magic ring, and then you can count from there. So you've got the magic rings, row 1, row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's 8 rows in total there. And again, from this bobble stitch here, you can see there's a row just sitting on top of that bobble stitch, and then another 1, 2, 3 from there. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that's helped someone out, because I sure could have used that video months and months ago when I was struggling to work out how many rows I've done. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and I hope you have an excellent day. Thank you.